Okay guys, let's see. This is part 2 of the chocolate pie. And I know y'all can't really see me, that's okay. I ain't gonna talk to y'all long. I'm gonna get right into it. We're gonna make 2 chocolate pies, Oreo pies, however you wanna call it. Okay, let's get to it. We got our 2 extra creamy Cool Whips, 8 ounces, and we have our 2 sweetened condensed milk, 14-ounce cans, and this time Nesquik. For some reason I couldn't find Hershey's powder, so we got some Nesquik chocolate. So yeah, these pies should come out perfecto this time. And of course we got our Oreo crust Nabiscos. Did I get? No, I got 2. Okay, 2 Oreo crusts. Let's get bowls. Okay, we got our bowls. And see, this is it, you guys. This is all the ingredients. Boom, boom, and boom. 3 ingredients. Okay, let's get spoons. Can't open that. Let's open this. Cocoa powder. Yes. Maybe I shouldn't have took that all the way off, but oh well. Okay, let's pour these. Okay, next we're gonna add cocoa powder. Let me get a spoon for that. Plastic spoon. We're gonna add some. I don't really know how much to add, so I'm just gonna add 1 big scoop for now. See what it looks like. Can y'all see? Let me. I think I'm gonna add another one, another scoop, and that will be it. And another scoop to that one too. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for the chocolate. Okay, let's mix this one. Okay, let's whisk this other one a little bit. Let it be what it is. Just gonna have to be what it is. Let me see here. Okay. It looked like a lot of them came out on this one. A lot of that chocolate powder. This one, not all the way. But my arm's getting tagged. Okay. So we just gonna add in our Cool Whip. Get rid of that top part. Put that mess on it. Okay. Alongside of other Cool Whip. Let's mix it. I don't know, guys. It's looking pretty loose like the last one. I'm a little scared that it's gonna be loose like the last one. Put it in to the crust. Yes, pretty loose. I mean, it's not as loose as last time, but it's pretty loose. Pretty loose. That's it. That's all. And that's going into the freezer just like that. Let's get this pie crust ready. Let's mix this one up. I'm not sure. Okay. Let's add it to our crust so you guys ain't gonna be able to see that way. Whoa. That's that. We ain't even gotta smooth it around because that's it, guys. Chocolate pies. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this because I just don't know. Here's the finished product of the chocolate pies. This is over 24 hours in the freezer. And I'm gonna put some of this on them. Chocolate shell. All right, guys, let's cut it. Cut it. Cut it. All right, let me stop before I get copyright. Oh, dang on well. Copyright you for anything. Anywho, yeah. It's solid enough to cut through and come out like a piece of pie, but It's just not what I expected. So more than likely, like I said, I'm just gonna give these away. It won't come out. Okay, let's see. I may not have gotten the crust good. Don't come out of there, pie. Get out. Okay, as you guys can see, oh, let me see. Yeah, it's not bad as in the form. It's not bad. It stays together like a pie, but I don't know. In my mind, it's still not right. So I still need to work on it, perfecting it, and get it right. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right. Look at this piece of crust that stayed in here. Okay, let me try it. Okay, I'm gonna try it for you guys. You guys don't get used to this because I'm not gonna be eating this crap. I just want to taste it. It's good. Real good. Real good. Real good. Alright guys, but that's the end of this video. Even though this was a fail, I mean, I guess it wasn't technically a fail, but to me it was a fail. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can see when I post a video, and let me know in the comments what y'all want to see me make. Alright y'all, bye.